In recent years, more and more people have become curious about a simple practice known as grounding. Walking barefoot on moist ground. What science really says about grounding and health. In recent years, more and more people have become curious about a practice known as grounding, also called earthing. Grounding simply means allowing the human body to come into direct contact with the surface of the earth. This may include walking barefoot on grass, on soil, on sand, or on naturally moist ground. Many people describe grounding as calming, restorative, and deeply relaxing. But today, we are not here to talk about beliefs. We are here to ask a simple question. What does science actually say? From a scientific perspective, grounding refers to direct electrical contact between the body and the earth. The earth maintains a stable electrical potential and contains a vast supply of free electrons. Some researchers suggest that when the body touches the ground directly, electrons may flow from the earth into the body. This process is believed to influence small electrical activities within our cells, the nervous system, and inflammatory responses. It is important to say this clearly. This is a hypothesis still being explored, not a final scientific conclusion. Several published studies have examined grounding in relation to inflammation and immune function. In these studies, researchers observed changes in biological markers associated with inflammation and immune activity. Based on these findings, grounding may help regulate low-grade chronic inflammation, a condition commonly linked to modern lifestyle-related illness. However, scientists emphasize that larger and more rigorous studies are still needed. Other research has focused on stress and sleep. In small experimental trials, participants who were grounded during rest or sleep showed changes in cortisol levels. Cortisol is the body's primary stress hormone. Many participants reported deeper sleep, less tension, and a greater sense of calm. These effects may be connected to the nervous system, particularly the part responsible for rest and recovery. More recent studies have explored barefoot walking in natural environments. Participants walked barefoot in green spaces or urban forests, while researchers measured markers related to inflammation, immune response, and mood. After these walks, several markers shifted in a positive direction. Importantly, researchers noted that the benefits likely come from multiple factors combined: gentle movement, natural surroundings, reduced sensory input, and increased body awareness. Moist ground is often emphasized because it conducts electricity more efficiently than dry soil. But from a wellness perspective, moist natural environments are also cooler, quieter, and more soothing to the nervous system. This suggests that grounding benefits are not caused by a single factor, but a combination of environmental and physiological effects. To be clear, grounding is not a medical treatment, it is not a cure, and it does not replace health care. However, current evidence suggests that walking barefoot on natural ground may support relaxation, stress reduction, and overall well-being. Sometimes, the body does not need complex solutions. Sometimes, it only needs to slow down, remove its shoes, and reconnect with the earth beneath it. Thanks for watching.